Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel's Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lessons and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solutions, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge, course and quiz. We will constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Thank you. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 math, chapter 11, mensuration, exercise 11.1. So let's see textbook exercise. The first question is a square and a rectangle field with measurement as given in the figure have the same parameter. Find which field has a larger area. So this is a figure given 60 meter and 80 meter. So a side of a square is 60 meter given and the length of a rectangular field L equals to 80 meter, that is also given in the question. According to the question, parameter of a rectangle field equals to parameter of square field, that is 2L plus B equals to 4 into side using formulas. So 280 plus B equals to 4 into 60. So here 2 into 80 is 160 and 2 into B is 2B. 4 into 60 is 240. Now we will do the addition and subtraction and the division, then we will get B equals to 40. The breadth of a rectangle is 40 meter. Now area of square field, that is side square. So 60 square, that is 3600 meters square. And area of rectangular field, that is length into breadth, equals to 80 into 40, that is 3200 meter square. Hence area of square field is larger. Second, Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as given in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. So this is the diagram given. The side of a square plot is 25 meter. Formula of area of square plot equals to area of a side, that is side square, that is 25 square, that is 625. Therefore the area of square plot is 625 meter square. Length of house is 20 meter and breadth of the house is 15 meter. So area of house equals to length into breadth, that is 20 into 15, that is 300 meters square. Area of garden equals to area of square plot minus area of house, that is 625 minus 300. So we will get 325 meters square. Cost of developing the garden per square meter is rupees 55. So cost of developing the garden 325 square meter equals to rupees 55 into 325. That is rupees 17,875 rupees. Hence the total cost of developing a garden around is 17,875 rupees. Third question, the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So length of rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meter. So total length is 20 meter. Diameter of semicircle is 7 meter. Radius equals to 3.5 meter. Length of rectangular field equals to 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 20 minus 7, that is 13 meter. Breadth of rectangle field equals to 7 meter. Area of rectangle field equals to L into B, that is 13 into 7. So we will get 91 meters square. Now area of two semicircles equals to 2 into half into pi into r square. That is 2 into half into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So we will get 38.5 meters square. Now area of garden equals to 91 plus 38.5, that is 129.5 meters square. Now perimeter of two semicircle equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5. So we will get 22 meter. And perimeter of garden equals to 22 into 13 into 13. So we will get 48 meter as the perimeter of a garden. Fourth, a flooring tiles has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meters square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. So base of the flooring tiles, that is 24 centimeter. If we want to convert it into meter, we will get 0.24 meter. Corresponding height of the flooring tiles equals to 10 centimeter. So in meter, it is 0.10 meter. Now area of flooring tile. So base into altitude, that is 0.24 into 0.10. So 0.024. So area of flooring tile is 0.024 meters square. Number of tiles required to cover the floor. That is, the formula is area of floor divided by area of one tile. So 1080 upon 0.024. So we will get 45,000 tiles. Hence 45,000 tiles are required to cover the floor. Fifth question. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which two food pipe will the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression C equals to 2 pi r, here where r is the radius of the circle. So here radius equals to diameter upon 2, that is 2.8 upon 2 centimeter. So we will get 1.4 centimeter. Circumference of semicircle equals to pi r. So 22 upon 7 into 1.4, that is 4.4. So circumference of a circle is 4.4 centimeter. Total distance covered by the ant equals to circumference of a semicircle plus diameter. So 4.4 into 2.8. So we will get 7.2 centimeter. Now B, diameter of a semicircle is 2.8 centimeter. Radius equals to diameter upon 2. So 2.8 upon 2. We will get 1.4 centimeter. Circumference of semicircle equals to r. 22 upon 7 into 1.4. We will get 4.4 centimeter. Total distance covered by the ant 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5 plus 4.4. That is 10.2 centimeter. Third one, radius equals to 1.4 centimeter. Circumference of circle is pi r, that is 2.22 upon 7 into 1.4. We will get 4.4 centimeter. Total distance covered by the ant equals to 2 plus 2 plus 4.4. So 8.4 centimeter. After analyzing results of three figures, we concluded that for figure B, food pipe, the ant food piece, the ant will take a longer round. So this was exercise 11.1 of chapter 11. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.